Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This simple video is all about fixing the issue with Wuthering Waves. Whenever you launch the game, you got the error, the UE4 client game has crashed and will close. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Let's proceed with the basic troubleshooting steps. Go ahead and open your Epic Games launcher. Now here click on this three dot icon next to the game and click on the option manage. Now here under the installation, click on this folder icon to open the install location. From here, open the game folder, go ahead and launch the game using this particular icon. Double click to run the game using this icon, and if the game started to launch, you need to right click on it, choose the option show more options, click on the option send to desktop. This will create a desktop right here for you so that you can launch the game directly from here. If this doesn't work, right click on it and choose the option properties, click on compatibility tab and check mark two options, disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Hit apply and OK button. Once you have done these changes, restart your Epic launcher and then launch the game only using this particular exe file by opening the installation directly of the game, and this will fix out the issue of the UE4 client game has crashed. If this failed to work out, nextly I have a simple tip for you. Open the settings menu, click on the option system, choose the option display over here. From here, under the scale, from the drop down list, choose a minimum scale for your desktop. Like I have chosen 125, you need to choose either 100 or less than 100. Once you have chosen these settings, go ahead, restart your Epic Game launcher and then restart your game to fix out the issue of UE4 game has crashed and will close. If this method also failed to work out, in next step, open up your browser and here I have a Microsoft Visual C++ latest downloads. Scroll down, depending upon the type of system you have, 32 based, choose this one, and 64 based, choose this one. Click on it, save it onto your desktop. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead, install this particular file into your PC, and once it is installed, you need to restart your PC, and after restarting, relaunch the game, and hopefully after updating your Microsoft Visual C++, the issue of UE4 client game has crashed with Wuthering Waves will be completely fixed out. Now if this method also failed to work out, let's proceed with the last step. Go ahead, you need to install Steam. If you have not installed, you need to install this Steam in your system. Once it is installed, log in and click on the option add a game. Now click on the option add a non-Steam game. From here click on the option browse to browse the directory of the game, which is available in C drive, program files, Epic Games, Wuthering Waves, Wuthering Wave games, and here is the game. Double click to add it. Once it is added, again browse, this time open the same directly, then click on client, binaries, Win64, and here you will find client Win64 shipping. Once it is added, click on the option add selected program. Now in this left pane, Win64 shipping will be available right over here. Go ahead, select it and click on the option play. Now if you are still unable to play and still getting the error UE4 game has crashed, you need to right click on it, choose option properties. Here under the launch option, type in -DX11. Once you have done these changes, close it and launch the game. Else, properties and launch option, change it to DX12. Once you have done these changes, close it and then go ahead and play the game. I mean, you need to do a hit and trial between DX11 and DX12 to play and launch the game easily without the error code UE4 client game has crashed and will close. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.